So, dropping the logging, my little logging attachment to get my carryall, to take the barrel over to the other field to take some water. And we got that. So, let's pray. It's just a stuck starter. Nope, that didn't do it. I know there's a problem with this connection sometimes, but it's doing that. And then the solenoid is, yes, I know it's loose, but if you hold it when it does that, it starts just fine, and I can't do it. Yeah. Let's see. Hold it with my finger. So let's get that all tightened up, and we'll see if that does that. Alright, so now the tractor is broke down in the middle of the driveway. Oops, forgot to hammer. Well, looks like we're gonna fix the water line then instead of taking water over. Alright. Solenoid starter. Yeah, the carburetor needs rebuilt. It's 1967, I think. Yeah. Needs some attention. Oh well. Okay. Here, blah. Okay. Well, if I want to get water over there, on this line I have to fix this thing. I have a cut in it for, well, when these valve and a T need to go on there. There's the cut. Let the water out when it was 20 degrees a couple weeks ago. Oh, now he wants to come down. Silly dog. Alright, let me fix this, so I get water all the way over there without it spraying like a fountain. And then we'll be able to put water over there since the tractor decided to die on me today. Alright. Yeah, I know. I have cutters. Can't find them. And I need to do this now. Hold the camera and do it. You know what? Putting the camera down. Alright. Got one side. This side has a nasty spot on it. I need to cut a chunk off for the valve. But bad batteries, overheated, just starting to cut this PEX. So I gotta wait now because, you know, nothing wants to go easy today. Nothing. There it goes. Alright, let's... Nope, gonna put it down. Alright. Got this one cut, halfway cleaned up. Hey, look, water. And if you only have one arm, I have new respect. Alright. Putting this down. Okay. Got it. It just didn't feel like this side went in as far as it should. But the marks were on the back side, so I didn't really see. And I know plumbers out there yelling, "You should have marked it, dummy!" Well, you're right. And I didn't. So we'll find out. Got my happy Stars and Stripes knife that I'm fairly certain came from China. Drill, it's a drill. Yeah. Grinder. I'm done today. Mind gone. Alright, I'm going to set this right here. Hopefully, I don't leave it out in the rain like I do things quite a bit. This needs to go down farther so the water goes down or drains out. That's a little bad spot right there. What is going on here? Not perfect. Well, you know what? We'll worry about that later. Let's get water. I hate this hill. I ran a marathon today. Huh, I walked up a hill today. Touche. Puppy dogs. Alright, I'm going to get off the phone, call over, get Mom to go outside and turn the water on. Because I'm already this way and I don't want to walk back. Alright, tuck these together. Before she turns it on. This rubber seal? Yeah, there's one in there. There's another ram walking up to me while I'm bent over. I didn't need these stupid fittings on here. Okay. What I did, actually hit the ends with a torch and just slide them over, is baby on this side? No. On the other side, I swear I see two babies right now. That's Ramathorn's head. Never mind. Okay. They're on the other side of that fence. So, you're okay. You're okay. We can pull all this. Where's it at? Oh, clear around there. Over this water tank. It's over there. Which, it's a good place for it. Oh. Yeah, I know. I know. Yep, you are permanently outside, little guy. I think it's part of taking them away from each other is causing a problem. Greg, Judy, what do I do? Yep. It's the, oh, look, new girl. And she smells. She's got that smell to her. That's what it is. If they stay out here with them, I think, like right now. Look at them. They're calm. I'm worried about little baby, but we're keeping the wire up and the dogs are going to stay over here, so. Yep. I got this wonderful grass. It's not so wonderful. Let's get this. Whew, there's this one. There's actually remnants of an old pond over there and a couple other natural spots where they can get water, so this isn't the only thing. Just in case you're wondering, I know I forget to say things because you guys don't know what's going on over here. Propane tank with a torch. That's for starting all these fires, which is, I got to get to cleaning. Well, she is. Did I turn the valve off? Uh-oh. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Oh, I'm hearing gurgling. Okay, it's coming, it's coming. I'd say watch out, but you guys like water. It's starting to go. Not real strong. It takes a while. It's a 1,000 feet of line that goes all the way over there to the house. Let's find a little bit flatter spot. What do you think? There? That looks better. That looks better. I want to get this to where it can fill up to the top. Be about the same all the way over. I know, I see. Hey, little boy. That is. There you go. Let's get a half-inch of water in it so you can move it around the tail. I know it's gonna. Here, buddy. I'm gonna put a lot more water in it, bud. I know. You're thirsty from walking all the way over there. Okay. So technically, I can get rid of all the rams and just keep this little guy. That's less eating grass and less headache right now. I mean, ram lambs are ready to go in a couple weeks, for God's sakes. They're terrible. It's the females that take, I'm hearing anywhere from 4 to 6 months, sometimes even 2. Yeah, we don't have any babies, females, so yeah. If I get rid of the boys, another auction coming up, and I know auctions aren't the way to go. Yeah, well, not a lot of choices down here in the middle of nowhere. Nobody cares about healthy food. So, yeah, not a fan. There's a shot. Still deer hunting season. It's, I don't know, early December. Look how calm they are. You need to stay inside the fence, young man. Right out of the hose. Smart guy would have got a stick or something to put against this. Like maybe that one over there. Because so close, so close. Right. Nope. Okay, what stick? Let's grab a stick. Let's take a log. Oh, those are really hitting me. Oh, crap. Sorry. Finger hit the butt. There we go. There we go. Oh, ingenious. Anyway, yeah, sheep walked she walked up on me, and well, I didn't get the fight on camera, but yeah, we've had a rough day with these two. So none of us like each other, and I'd rather them not sneak up on me and kill me. Yeah, but calm as heck now. Okay. Look at them, they're just so calm. It's like night and day from how they were just an hour ago. Boys were killing each other. Oh, those poor goats. Big Ram's got all over them. Like, in a really, really, really bad way. Yeah. And just look out now. It's done. It's like, nope, it's all good now. I don't know what to think about that. Buddy's still kind of nervous because he saw all the running around, and not to mention me trying to get those two ornery boys away from the goats. Get them separated. It's all happy, peaceful now. Baby girl going over with mama. I'm sorry, did I stop petting you? Okay. Freaking hand. All cut up. Bunch of blisters from my... I threw a steak in backwards. Flipped it. Slapped all the scalding butter on my hand. Looks like I pulled it out of Frankenstein's butt. It's pretty bad. Yeah. Wow. Just not even aggressive now. Yep.